Welcome to Rise and Thrive, Women Entrepreneurs Unite, a celebration of female empowerment and entrepreneurship. We believe in the incredible potential of women entrepreneurs to shape the future. This initiative is designed to bring together women from all backgrounds, providing the resources, mentorship, and connections needed to thrive. This is a zero-investment entrepreneurship opportunity with Go Speedy Go. We provide all the financial, operational, manpower, and supply chain support you need to establish and grow your business. All we ask from you is your energy and enthusiasm to succeed as a valued franchise partner with Go Speedy Go. Together, we can create a community of unstoppable women leaders. Let's rise, thrive, and inspire each other to reach new heights. Join Go Speedy Go now and be part of the Rise and Thrive movement. Together, we can achieve greatness.